Hello guys, welcome back. Going to show here how you make a header on Figma. First, what you're gonna do, how to be satisfied with something that we can start to draw the full width frame. So we have to start right here to make the full width frame, which is really the width like this. And then we have to start to add logo and the menu times items. So maybe we are looking for header first. Header. So we can start to go for plugins, searching for something that is called header, but actually we can find it. So what you're gonna do is about logo and the menu. Okay, so we can start to have a place an image and started to have some kind of logos like actually this one, and we can add it for example, and set auto layout to horizontal. So we can start to click on this frame or component and then start to go to the. Okay, maybe we can click on the frame first and click over here on the right corner, set the auto layout like this, apply padding and spacing, which is really like what we gonna see. The padding and spacing is really to be like 100 or 20 or 5 or something like that, and this will be absolutely how you can add a header above over here.